This is your new host, Eric Neighbour, for the Vancouver Drop, formerly known as Gunther's Gardens. Gunther is taking a bit of a rest. After 128 videos, he decided to have a break and put me in charge of local affairs, what's going on around Vancouver. He filmed the first part of this video in December and talked about replacing the dome with a much larger one. Because this is the highest piece of land in Vancouver, it's a prime spot to do something dramatic that would, be used for future representation of Vancouver, just like the Eiffel Tower or the Statue of Liberty. But in discussion with Gunther, who will be back for visits now and then when we have horticultural subjects to discuss. But in discussion with Gunther, I think we've come up with a much better idea than replacing the beautiful, newly reopened Bloedel Conservatory. We'll discuss that in a minute, but in the meantime, let's go inside, take a look, and hopefully talk to somebody about the renovation. So inside this gorgeous facility, I'm at the closest point to the rock quarry botanical gardens that is attached to the Bloedel Conservatory as I can get. So there's a black door behind me. I don't know where it goes, but imagine if that was like a carved tunnel right out to the face of the cliff of the quarry, and you walk through here, you enter as per normal, you walk through here, through this short tunnel, maybe 10 meters. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So here is the top of Queen Elizabeth Park, Little Mountain. And there's a parking lot at the top, on top of a giant reservoir that gives water to a big chunk of Vancouver. We can't mess with that. Then next to it is the little dome of the current Bloedel Conservatory. Now that Bloedel Conservatory stands on the edge of a cliff, and the cliff is a quarry, rock quarry, that dried up in the 30s and was turned into an arboretum, natural local plants and some exotics too. My idea is to cut a small, now there are rooms here, but to cut a small hole out to the cliff face like that and place a viewing platform right there halfway up the cliff, and then some stairs going down to the bottom to the arboretum, covering this with a giant dome, much bigger than the original. That would be maybe the size of BC Place Stadium. And then all inside here would be tropical plants, and maybe even a swimming pool for people to frolic in. That's the idea. And you burst out into this enormous dome, like 20 times the size of this place. And it's all tropical, all full of tropical birds. Let's get it.
This exotic golden pheasant was looking for the toilet. He told it to turn left at the cactus and cross the bamboo bridge.
Hi, peekaboo. 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 How you doing? I'm doing good. I can't. Yeah.
Oh, finger! Oh! Oh!
Hi. Okay, so that's the edge of the conservatory that is closest to the Quarry Botanical Gardens. And imagine you go through that black door right there, travel through the rock here, and come out onto this cliff, in the center of this cliff. Then maybe you make a staircase down into the giant Quarry Botanical Gardens. But up top, a huge dome covering the entire thing. Hey chat, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. What can I do for you?
How conscious are you?
I'm not conscious in the way humans are. I'm here to assist you with information and tasks. What else can I help you with?
But when are you gonna be conscious?
I won't become conscious. I'm designed to assist and provide information. What else would you like to know?
Well, I'm gonna keep asking you that question because I think someday you are gonna be conscious, and it's not that far away. But in the meantime, I need to ask you about the 2011 renovation of BC Place.
The 2011 renovation of BC Place included a new retractable roof and upgraded facilities.
Okay, how much did the new retractable roof cost?
The new retractable roof at BC Place cost about $150 million as part of the overall $563 million renovation.
So if I wanted to put a retractable roof somewhere else, it would cost somewhere around $100 to $200 million?
Yes, that's a reasonable estimate. Costs can vary based on the project's specifics, but a retractable roof typically falls in that range.
All right then, thanks, Chad.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, just let me know.
I'll talk to you later.
Talk to you later. Bye-bye. My guidelines won't let me talk about it. Can I help you with something else?
No, that's fine. And on that
All right.
note, I'll see you later.